In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Airtable. Keeping your Airtable bases clean and free from duplicate records is really important, especially when you're working with contact lists, project data, or anything you need to trust. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use Airtable's built-in tools to quickly spot and manage duplicates using the dedupe extension. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the base you want to clean up. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of all your workspaces and bases. Next, click on the base where you want to find duplicates. This opens the base in the standard grid or whichever view you last used. It's a good idea to quickly confirm you're in the right table, especially if your base has multiple tables, like contacts, companies, or deals. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Tools area. There, you'll see an option labeled Tools with a drop-down. Click on that drop-down, and from the menu that appears, choose Extensions. Extensions are add-ons in Airtable that give you extra functionality, and dedupe is one of them. In the Extensions panel, click on Add an Extension. This opens the extension marketplace where you can search for new tools. In the search bar, type dedupe. After a moment, you should see the dedupe extension appear in the results. Once you see it, click on Add to add the dedupe extension to your bow. Airtable might take a second to load it, and then you'll see a configuration screen where you can set up how duplicates should be detected. On this screen, you'll see a list of fields from your table, each with a toggle. Turn on the toggle for each field you want to use to identify duplicates, such as email, name, or another unique identifier. The more specific and consistent the field, the better your results will be. After dedupe runs, it will show you sets of suspected duplicates. Click on Review one set of duplicates, or whichever set is shown to start checking them. You'll see the records side by side, so you can compare them easily. From here, click on the record you want to keep. You'll get options to use it as the primary record, exclude it from the duplicate set, or edit it if you need to adjust details before merging or deciding what to keep. Go through each set carefully and you'll have a clean